So, what are the properties inside the row? If I want to align the element in a row, but completely in the opposite side, then what should
The
we
opposite
use?
side. So we just need to think in an easy way. The main
Mhm.
axis alignment and cross axis. You can just look at like that, like a cross. In row, the main axis alignment is a horizontal line.
Mhm.
So if we want to change the behavior there, so we need to change the main axis alignment. And for that, we just take the main axis alignment class and can, for example, space between. So
Okay, so it's almost similar to CSS properties. In
yeah.
CSS also there is like flicks, and in flicks there is a space between
Mhm.
and a space around, and center and all this stuff. So it's
Mhm.
almost same.
Yeah, and with row and column, there's of course some limit, but
Mhm.
you can also take like a flex or flexible, where you
Mhm.
can rearrange containers or widgets
Okay,
accordingly. Yeah, but
okay,
it's like more freedom, more work to do.
okay. So one thing I noticed is in row, the
Mhm.
main axis alignment is this direction.
Yeah,
In column, the main axis alignment is vertical direction.
right,
Okay, so and cross axis alignment is exactly opposite.
right, exactly.
Perfect, perfect. Okay, so let's try it out. Space between. If I do this, then what will happen?
Yeah, of course, we are putting space in between all the children we have in our row. So that means we have two containers. So there is space between those two containers.
Okay, let's see what happens if we do space around.
Space around. So space around.
Okay.
Yeah, it's creating an even room for each container.
Okay, what else is there?
We have
Property
space evenly.
evenly.
That is taking the space in
Hmm.
respect to the container and to the space we have. So it looks kind of symmetric.
So it is similar in column also, I guess. If we do
Yeah,
space around, it's
exactly,
space.
exactly, exactly.
Okay,
Looks
what
somehow like
else?
an Italian flag.
Okay, what else property? What else is there in column or row that is interesting?
So, okay, so we can, for example, also change the cross-axis alignment. And let's play with that one. We started with start, but we
Hmm?
can, for example, set it to the end. And of course, we
Okay.
need to change space evenly
Mm-hmm.
because,
Yeah, it's fine.
oh, it's fine so.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, it's cross-axis.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Process
So
alignment.
instead of the center where we started,
Mm-hmm.
we are
It's
now
in,
at the end with the Italian flag.
and we have 600 pixels, so it's still there.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so let's remove that height of size box, or let's remove that widget completely.
We can remove it.
What happens?
It.
Okay,
So
those
now,
ID shortcuts makes it a lot easier.
yeah, it's also some fun to try things out. Yeah, of course, our containers are still 100 by 100 pixels, so
Mhm.
we only see them at the beginning.
Okay, so cross axis alignment is start, so it's in start, and main axis alignment is space evenly, so there's space in between.
Yeah.
Perfectly. Okay, that's cool. Okay, what else is there in cross axis alignment?
Can do.
Can you describe all those properties?
Let's see. Center is what we had in the beginning, so the elements in the row are created at the center of the cross axis,
Okay,
or at the start, which is the um,
start of
start.
this.
Start wasn't the default one; it was the center in that
Mhm,
case. So
mhm,
each element in the row is created from the left side,
mhm.
but in cross-axis alignment
Okay,
from top to bottom in the middle part.
stretch.
Stretch.
That looks interesting. Let's try it out.
Let's see what stretch does. Well,
Ooh, dang.
stretches the elements through the cross-axis.
Okay, it is overriding some values that we gave, like the height.
Yeah, we are starting at the top.
Hmm.
Yeah. But the containers are now like stretched, taking the whole space. So it's kind of ignoring the default height of containers.
Okay, so
What else
it's
do
it's
we
it's
have?
overriding the height of container, isn't
Yeah,
it?
exactly.
Okay.
Then we have baseline.
What is baseline? there's some issue.
Some issue. What does
What
it
is
say?
this issue?
Let's see, text baseline. It's not null. We need to specify baseline.
Okay.
Is there a baseline? Yeah, text baseline.
Okay. Let's do that in the next video. For this video, it's
Yeah.
too much.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Baseline is enough. Okay, now what we did is we saw how to use row, and likewise column is also almost similar. So it's like if we want to place element like different space, different alignment,